This video will show you how you can create a Jamboard that has some tasks or work that students can complete. So first of all, you need to get whatever it is you want the students to do. So I've got a bit of a worksheet here, and I'm just going to zoom in and then take a screenshot. And whichever device you're using, if you just Google that device and how to take a screenshot, you'll find a keyboard shortcut. And I've also set my device to, when I take a screenshot, it saves that image directly into my Google Drive, which is really useful in a moment, which you'll see. For this question, I'm going to only do half of the table at a time, just because otherwise it wouldn't fit very well on the actual Jamboard itself. And then in a new tab, I'm going to go to jamboard.google.com, and then in the bottom right hand side of the screen there's a symbol to create a new Jamboard, and then I'm going to add the image in. So there's an icon over on the left hand side to add the image, and I can go directly to my Google Drive and then go to recent, and because I've just taken those screenshots, they should be the first 3 images there. So I'll add in the first one and resize it so that it fits. If you can't save it directly into Google Drive from a screenshot, it's fine, but it just means you'll have to kind of search for your images a bit more. Where are they? In downloads, desktop, or whatever else. Then I click that little arrow to add a new page, and I'll add this part of the question, and then I'll add the final bit of the table on the next slide, and then it's done. So it's created the worksheet. Students will be able to annotate over the top of it and type into sticky notes for the answers. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can assign this to students so they get their own copy using Google Classroom. And you could also add in a first page with some instructions on a sticky note.